Greetings, family. It is I, Clayface6. I have returned on another adventure and journey, seeking knowledge and forgiven and forgotten ways of life, of importance and substance that is essential to every cell in our body, affecting one, affecting all. Receiving more information from the Most High. Yes, I'm sure you've heard of this delicious item, which you have ingested over and over again. But the part that is missing to the puzzle is consistency and the right amount of milligrams to give you what you need. Because when you have the proper amount times consistency equals results for all that is good. And this is why we study and we assimilate our keys. Most important, as we detox and we steadily flush non-productive, harmful nights, willies, bacteria, fungus, heavy metals, fluoride, chlorine, benzene, lead. These are the things that we seek to remove on a constant basis. Removal, slowly but surely, equals results. So, when you take part and you put your keys into effect, remember that you cannot continue to put trash in your body. They say if you do 80% right, that you can splurge just a little, the other 20%. I understand you have to live, but moderation of that 20% is also just as important. So, as we detox and flush and keep them on the run, things that are not supposed to be in our temple, so we continue to flush at this time and give all those things that make and wish us harm, setting them a path of a steady flow out of our temple. So you continue to drink your essential spring water and consume your keys of Bragg's apple cider vinegar to help purge and to break down fats and byproducts. So they will be easy to grab and contain and move them on their way. This is true. Also, with drinking your lemon and your turmeric and ginger tea, that ginger tea helps to keep things flowing. And each and every product is attacking and healing along the way. Consistency is the key. Get it in, get it out. Your body will respond and start to function like it's supposed to. When you was a youngster and you felt no pain, get back as close as you can be. The joy and smile is on his way. When you start to feel that special way, this is no trickery. This is basically simple, sanctioned by the Most High. What did you think? Easter has more than one meaning. On that Sunday, that special Sunday, when you were running around trying to find those different color eggs, that was the Most High training you to find those keys. Each egg is special. New birth, strength, and vitality. Do your research. Dig deep and you will find. Do not stay on the sidelines. Move with a quickness. And you will find your way. Research is the key. Consistency. All leads the same way. For all that is good. This next product is also special. It will help purify. I say purified your blood and help remove toxins from your body. This product, sanctioned by the Most High, also has the tendency to lower high blood pressure. Also, it helps with your digestion, helping to break down those food particles. Helps your solar plexus and break down that food matter within your small and large intestines. This is true. So, we take part to learn more about this special key. Something very special. Remember what it is. You must be consistent. Take the right and proper milligram and incorporate it within your diet. Put it on your schedule. It is not to be forgotten. All these special keys, you put them on your schedule. Rotate. Incorporate. Make them work in your behalf. This is what it is. This next product will also help you burn fat and this product also has 3 special enzymes that help clean and purify your liver. I say again, your liver. Very important. That is the headquarters of your filter. Always support your filter. So, this is for your transcription. This is what it is. Yes. Did you have a clue? Did you know how important and how precious this product is? Make sure that you incorporate this in your diet. It will help purify your blood and break down different fats and proteins that may have been missed. Keep everything flowing without a twist. Also, this will also help you not only with your digestion, but your weight. Slim you up like a slim cookie. Be serious about your health. Be a plus, not a minus. 530 milligrams. Garlic and parsley. A serious tool to have in your arsenal. No, not just a little sprinkle on a slice of pizza. That will not do. And I know, yes, you cook with it. Yes, I know. Not enough. Make sure you get it in at least 3 times a week. Spread it out. Get it on your schedule. And you will be amazed. Let it work for you. Garlic and parsley. Protect yourself and your family. For all that is good. Now, family, what's so much more and we never forgot? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And watch for the next Chronicle. For all that is good. Until the next time.